Here is a wonderful 2016 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle still has fewer than 150,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering,